Here is your chance to cut free from diabetes. Diabetes is a debilitating condition. It is about resistance. The person with diabetes is doomed to live with diabetes until death comes. Popping pills or injecting becomes his daily regimen. In short, life is a drag for the person with diabetes. There are restrictions galore in diet and lifestyle. Every vital organ is at risk, and multi-organ failure is a possibility. But there is always the promise of remedy and release from every ailment under the sun. For the diabetic, there are hundreds and thousands of promised cures. Panacea. The internet is strewn with websites proclaiming cures. Diabetes Freedom is one such promise of permanent diabetes cure. It is a digital program, a non-medication alternative, to combat and banish diabetes from your life. Diabetes Freedom Review. Riley claims that the Diabetes Freedom Program reverses the effects of diabetics before they become killing agents. He swears by it, and he's backed by Dr. James Freeman, who treated Riley with the program. So how does Diabetes Freedom work? Riley says it protects people from becoming type 2 diabetics by eliminating known risks. It uses the phytohack method. This method mainly works to cut down fat in the body and reduce fat deposits. No medications are required. It is a diet packed with what are called phytonutrients, extracted from plants, and taken in certain combinations at fixed times of the day. Followed regularly, it lowers body weight and regulates levels and keeps the pancreas healthy by removing the toxins that willy-nilly get stored in the pancreas. The primary manual Diabetes Freedom trademark by George Riley. To reverse diabetes, the Diabetes Freedom Program recommends 3 steps. 1. The Pancreas Restart Nutrition Plan. 2. The Brown Fat Boosting Blueprint. And 3. Meal timing strategies that eradicate type 2 diabetes. Also called steps, these 3 components make up the main Diabetes Freedom Program. Step 1, Pancreas Restart Nutrition Plan is like the description suggests, a diet plan. It helps rid the pancreas of fat cells, which clog the pancreas and make it difficult for them to deliver enough to all parts of the human body. Step 2, Brown Fat Boosting Blueprint is about how to adjust and follow changes in lifestyle that help reverse type 2 diabetes. These changes increase brown fat cells which keep a check on the detrimental white cells. Step 3, Meal Timing Strategies that eradicate diabetes type 2 recommends certain tips on meal timings. They help diabetics regulate production and glucose distribution. Benefits of Diabetes Freedom. First and foremost, it reverses type 2 diabetes. At least that is what George Riley and Diabetes Freedom hint at. Some people call this amazing. 2. It supposedly works quickly, the results are seen very soon. 3. The diabetic loses weight and gets slimmer faster. 4. Naturally all these mean his energy level increases in leaps and bounds. Lastly, all these changes also mean that the erstwhile diabetic is now perfectly healthy. Pros and cons of Diabetes Freedom. The pros include it fights type 2 diabetes, is cheap and affordable, is easy to follow and understand, is believed to be a natural way to fight diabetes, does wonders to life quality and last, but not least, the 60-day money-back guarantee if it doesn't work. The cons are not as many as the pros. And one of them is that the program is available only online, which is crazy because, to tell the truth, online is much better and faster than hunting a store that sells it. The second con is that the results the program will deliver will vary from person to person. Again, that is kind of foolish. How can anybody expect a similar result or effect in everyone who buys and follows the program?